What's up, peeps? It's me again, and I'm back for another video regarding Wanaka Farm. So, a long while ago, I did made a video review about Wanaka Farm. Right now, I am going to share about the closed beta gameplay of Wanaka Farm. But first, we have to do the step-by-step instructions right here for the closed beta. So we're going to do this actually. So it says right here on their official Medium account, so they're glad to announce that they're going to host a closed beta test for more than 100,000 members. And of course, it was published as October 1, so hopefully I could still make it. So you can see right here the instructions for the testnet beta. So we need to set up BSC testnet in our MetaMask wallet. So I've already done that right here, guys. All I have to do is to switch right here to the testnet. So it says right here, choose network from the menu and click add network. Okay, so you just have to follow all of these. All right. So I already have the Binance Smart Chain testnet right here. So you could see all of the instructions. The next instruction is for me to go to BNB faucet to claim one BNB. So I have to open it a new tab. So it says right here, WANA and Y faucet. You can claim 100 WANA and 100 Y every day. We have to claim one BNB first on the faucet. So I have to input my Binance Smart Chain address right here. And then I have to copy it. And then I have to paste it. So give me BNB. So I've funded my account with BNB already. So there you have it. I already have one BNB. So let's go back right here. You can claim 100 WANA and 100 Y every day. So I click this faucet. And then it will open a new tab. So first things first, guys, we have to connect our wallet. Okay, so I click MetaMask. So make sure that this is under the testnet. So I click next, click connect. So I have to claim 100 WANA and Y every day. Okay, so I claim and then my MetaMask will pop up. Okay, and then I click confirm. And we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So faucet WANA is a success. Now we need to get 100Y. So I click that and the same thing happens. So I click confirm. And then we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So both of them are success already. So the next thing is that we need to register our account right here on Wanaka Farm testnet. So it says right here, connect to your wallet with testnet network and setting the email and password. So I do that right now. So it says right here, completely set up your account to start playing game version beta test. So you could see the instructions right here for step 1, and then here's step 2, step 3, and the final step. So I got it. First, I have to connect my wallet. So make sure that it is Binance Smart Chain testnet network. So I connect with MetaMask, and then it will open a new tab. And then I click next. I click connect. There we go. So the next thing, guys, is that we go to my account, and then I log in with wallet. So signature request, I click sign. So you can see right here, guys, I have 100 WANA and 100 Y. Before we are going to deposit, let's set up our email and password first, okay? So I have to enter my email address as a test. And then I click update. And I have to check my email for the verification code. So I have to do that right here on my cell phone. So once I have the code, click confirm. And there you have it, guys. Okay, so first I have to change my name, Nomad Fury, and then I click save. And that is a success, guys. Now, the next thing that we need to do, guys, is that we should deposit our WANA and Y to our in-game wallet. So, first, I have to deposit WANA. So, you can see right here from my wallet to the contract address, and the amount is 100. So, I approve WANA, and then my MetaMask will open. So, I have to pay the fee. So, we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So, it says transaction to confirmed. Okay? So I click deposit and then my MetaMask will open and then I click confirm to pay the gas fee and then we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. There we go, guys. Okay, so WANA is successfully deposited. The next one is Y. So I click deposit again and then choose Y and same amount. So I approve Y and then I click confirm and we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So it needs to be approved before transferring the amount in game. So it's confirmed. So we have to deposit again and click confirm. And we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. And there you have it, peeps. I have both WANA and Y right here on my balance in game. So the next thing that we need to do is to download the game. So I have to download it right now. Okay, so now we have to download. And then we save it as a zip file. And then we have to wait until the download is completed. And it will take a while, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So I have already finished downloading the game. So all you have to do is to open the zip file. So I'm gonna do it. So I have to extract it somewhere. So maybe I should extract it to the desktop. Now the next thing, guys, is that I will be opening the folder. So we have to open the client right here. So without further ado, so I double click this one and then my client will open, and here it is, Wanaka. So it's currently loading, guys. Okay. Now you could see right here, guys, there is a server right here on the lower right. So we could choose our server. So for now, guys, we have two servers, Asia Pacific and the South America. So since I am from the Philippines, so we are on the Asia Pacific. Okay, so I have to log in with my email and the password that I've registered earlier on the testnet version of Wanaka. So once I've done that, so I click login and then it loads right here. Wow. So for me, I think this is an amazing game. The first time that I've heard about Wanaka Farm is coming from LinkedIn via Sophia Ho of the Moki Market. She shared about Wanaka Farm in one of her LinkedIn posts, and I immediately checked it out. So yeah, I think this one is really amazing. For me, the graphics are really cool. I'm excited. I'm excited on what the future holds here for Wanaka Farm. So I'll be doing another video gameplay for this one as I keep building my farm. Alright, so this is all for now, peeps. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've learned something on how are you going to play the closed beta version of Wanaka Farm. Feel free to share this to your crypto, blockchain, DeFi, NFT, and play to earn gamers out there. Okay, you just have to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay updated regarding my latest videos. And you can follow me on my social media channels right here on my YouTube description. Okay guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.